Paper-based inductions and generic safety videos are passive, one-way communication, leading to low information retention, unclear safety responsibilities, and serious legal compliance gaps. At WWISE, our custom video and induction framework delivers tailored videos that cover site-specific health and safety hazards, emergency procedures, legal duties, company policies, and safety culture, ensuring every new hire or contractor starts fully informed, legally compliant, and safety conscious. We begin by understanding your unique health and safety induction requirements, from site hazards and safe work procedures to legal compliance obligations. Thereafter, we script every scene to align with your brand and legislative and regulatory requirements, ensuring no safety or legal point is missed. We then create a detailed storyboard visualizing each shot, transition, and on-screen text, including key safety messages, hazard controls, and legal references before any filming begins. This guarantees your induction meets both operational and regulatory standards. Our production team captures authentic footage on your premises or in our studio, focusing on real safety behaviors, hazard identification, and emergency responses. Meanwhile, professional voice artists record clear, authoritative narration that reinforces legal obligations and health and safety protocols. We demonstrate each process in detail with real-life examples, embedding your company's SHEQ standards, legal duties, such as reporting obligations and due diligence, and practical safety procedures. This ensures that safety becomes everyone's responsibility and that your organization meets all applicable health and safety laws. We cover all areas, from operational floors to administrative offices, and demonstrate how to use systems, applications, and processes for new employees to upskill them swiftly while maintaining legal compliance. Post-production includes thorough editing, mandatory health and safety compliance checks, and final approval, ensuring every second meets your operational, safety, and legal standards. The finished videos are delivered to your learner management system or induction portal, ready for seamless onboarding. Each completion is tracked and auditable, giving you proof of induction for health and safety legal compliance. From meeting you to the final view, that's the WWISE process. No gaps, no guesswork, just results, and a safer, legally protected workplace. Get your health and safety compliant induction system in motion today. Email admin at wwise.co.za or call 0861099473. Our team will understand your SHEQ and legal needs and deliver a custom solution that protects your people and your business.